One rainy day in the Nano Research Lab, young Dr. Natura worked away furiously. She was close to a breakthrough. But then, as she neared the answer she'd searched for all these years, a mysterious gas began to leak from one of the beakers. Dr. Natura fell into a narcotic sleep, and when she awoke she realized the solution to the local pollution problems she'd been working to solve. She would adapt her research and become the perfect superhero, ready to save the Earth through nanoscience. Using the principles of nanoscience she based her research on, Dr. Natura created the perfect superhero. Her headband, containing quantum dots, has the ability to make more efficient solar cells due to semiconductors. Taking full advantage of her research into the Lotus effect, Dr. Natura created her own hydrophobic suit. Her trademark blue wristband releases a nano-engineered graphene membrane, which she utilizes to purify water. Separately, these components have the power to reshape the world of environmental science, but together they created the perfect nano superhero, Mother Nature.